So all of my wires from my LED lights, they got smashed, so I've stripped them all off. I put the fuse under the seat, which was idiotic, but it's blown as well. So I have a new one and the blown one. There's the blown one, there's the new one. So the way that these things work is you put like two ends, so like the green and the green, you put them in here. Right now I have the red and the red. This white section here, the white on the end shrinks and makes a seal. The white on this end shrinks and makes a seal, and that in the center is solder. So all I gotta do is use the heat gun, get it hot, and it shrinks and melts. But let's see what works. So I can heat my sock up to this port. The heat gun. Okay. So I've just wired all of these in, and then I'm going to heat them all up. So they're all touching. The red one is now melted already, and the other ones are just on and waiting for heat. So I hope it works. And I'll be damned. It worked. We're back in business.